Welcome to my wood shop again. I want to zero my CNC. Let me flip it around so you can see it. Just giving you another CNC tip. Cecil, and let me show you what I'm working on. I changed my bit up. I had a V bit in there, so I carved those letters. And now I have to zero my tool again. If you look, I'm way over here on the edge. That's where my 0, 0. And if I go down to the wood with 0, 0, 0, the problem is I can't get in there because of the unevenness. So I want to zero that. It turns out that I can zero my Z-axis anywhere I want to on the board. So I'm going to choose way out here. So I need to go back, exit out of the operation and move my Y away. You'll see it move. Alright, X to the right. As you see, it's moved now over the pad. And I have to connect my magnet up to my collet, right there. And then I'm going to tell it to go down. So I have to come and choose my app. So I say, I'll take that a little bit. Apps, touch zero plate, rest it open, run Z calibration, and it's going to ask me to touch it. And as you know, I just raise the pad up and touch it, and you see that turn red? Whenever I'm touching it, like that, it turns red. If it doesn't turn red, it won't let you go to the next step. Now it says OK to begin movement, so I press OK. It goes down. Yep. Touches off. That's it. Makes you calibrate to your zero axis anywhere on the board, not just from the home position.